Thank
Are
you.
we together in the same group?
No,
No?
this one.
We're gonna have you wrap it around. Next builder right here. And last builder. Last builder right here.
Should we all wondering why I have some here?
Make sure to not lean on those middle cylinders.
Oh, Lucas, we fixed this, right?
Yeah, the light bulb.
No, that's really bad and kind of dangerous. Oh, welcome. Thank you all for finding us. Now, I apologize for being so secretive out there, but we can't share what we do until you were safe within these walls. The First Order has spies all over, so you can never be too careful. Now, I know this all doesn't look like much. To us, this is everything. But I'm getting ahead of myself. This is Maddie, and this is Lucas. My name is Peter, and we humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. As Gatherers, we've dedicated our lives to search the far corners of the galaxy, from the ruins of Jeddah, all the way to the barren cliffs of Dathomir, all to find objects from the past and bring here to you. And trust me, it's not as easy as I'm making it sound, but it just proves how dedicated we Gatherers are to finding these objects to bring before you in these troubling times. Many Force users remain in hiding under threat of the First Order. Tensions all around the galaxy are the highest they've ever been. But in times like these, heroes must rise. Heroes like Luke Skywalker. And now, there's someone else answering that same call, accepting the challenge to bring balance to the Force. Great. But that's a big job. Anyone looking to follow in her footsteps, like all of you, will need tools. Tools such as this. The Light Saber. Both elegant and enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art form in of itself, one which we Gatherers are desperately trying to restore. The lightsaber is a conduit, allowing the power of the Force to enter the physical world and into your hands. Now, what you choose to do with that power is a journey all of your own. But first, you'll need to harness that power. And you do so with this, the kyber crystal, the heart of the lightsaber. This small relic holds immense power. They say the crystal chooses the builder and a bond is formed. Through that bond, the power of the Force is released into a blade. Now, the color of your crystal determines the color of your blade. And we've managed to find 3 to bring before you today. We'll start with blue, wielded by Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice, Anakin Skywalker, and our spark of hope, Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Master Yoda, Luke Skywalker, and the Ahsoka. Violet, both rare and beautiful, wielded only by Master Mace Windu. And red, the crystal of power, Darth Vader, Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, and now Kylo Ren. But those are stories of the past. Let's begin your journeys. Now, as my fellow Gatherers come around, clear your mind, use the Force, and trust your instincts. Listen to the crystal that's calling to you. Now, once you've taken your crystal, place it on the green dish directly in front of you, since it's not quite stable yet. I mean, you can look all around you. You'll find marks of, let's just say, less successful moments, but not to worry. As long as that crystal stays on that green dish, everything should be completely fine. Now, what's being laid out in front of you may just look like a pile of scrap. From this, you'll forge your hilt. The hilt is the foundation of the lightsaber, the center of control. Most importantly, never enter the kyber crystal disintegrating your hand. Now, don't be shy. Feel free to examine your pieces. Begin to feel which ones will make up your hilt. Whether you select scrap that resembles the past, or new materials we haven't seen before, the combination will be uniquely your design. With that being said, let's go ahead and explore your pieces. To your far left, you have your chassis, the home of the titles. Columns 1 and 2, we have our sleeves. Column 3 are emitters. Column 4 are end caps. And column 5 are activation plates. Now, I will be walking you through the build process. My fellow gatherers are here if you require any further assistance. So with that being said, builders, are we ready?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, let's build. We'll start at the far left with your chassis. Put a pick of your chassis, look at these clear oval vents. Flip your chassis so the clear oval vents are now facing down. Directly above your clear oval vents, there is a spring-loaded plate. Press down on that plate. This is where your kyber crystal is going to go. Pick up your kyber crystal and apply pressure on that spring-loaded plate with your crystal to lock your crystal into place. Even though your crystal is locked in correctly, when it's standing straight up and down all on its own, it will begin to glow and sing to you. Now this is the hardest part of the build. If you're having any trouble, don't be shy. Ask one of us for help. Once you have your crystal locked in correctly, hold it up. Show us.
Yeah. So I'll show you my technique.
Once you have your crystal locked in correctly, hold it up. Show us. Once again, this is the hardest part of the build. If you have any trouble, don't be shy. Ask one of us for help. Excellent. Moving on to column number 5. These are our activation plates. You're going to pick one random set of activation plates from column number 5. Once you do, pick them up and flip them over. You will notice on the inside of your activation plates, you will find a red square and blue rectangle. These are going to match the red square and blue rectangle on the side of your chassis next to your kyber crystal. Attach your activation plates. Match your red square directly over red square. Blue rectangle directly over your rectangle. These only fit one way, so if your activation plates are not activated quite right, double check. If the red square is going directly over the red square, blue rectangle is directly over the blue rectangle.
You see that red square on the side
Once
over
you
here?
have your activation plates locked on, flip your activation switch. You should hear this fire sound. If you do not hear that sound, please let one of us know.
Push it in. No. Perfect. And then go ahead and grab this piece right here. You see that blue rectangle? Put it directly over that blue rectangle as well. Perfect.
Perfect.
So go ahead and hold down the place in here.
Moving on. Columns 1 and 2. These are our sleeves.
We're gonna push
There
our
are 4 options of sleeves for you to pick from. You are picking
So like
2
2 of these
of
4?
your favorite
Peter
ones.
has to say. It's
It
like 2
does
of
not
these 4.
matter which 2 you pick, but what does matter, and if I can get everyone's attention up here for just one moment. On every sleeve, one end has a thicker metal band. Whether that thicker metal band be silver, copper, or gold, it must be going towards the center of your hilt, directly touching your activation plates.
Thick band.
Once again, for those who did not hear, every sleeve has a thicker metal band. Whether that thicker metal band be silver, copper, or gold, it must be going to the center of your hilt, directly touching your activation plates. Apply pressure on your sleeve, joint activation plate, and twist the sleeve to the center of the plate.
Is the top?
Good. And then push it down.
When your sleeve is going on top, you're going to push down.
Exactly like that. You're going to push and twist.
Now you're going to choose the second
Sleeve is
one.
going on top. You're going to push up, twist towards your right, and secure it into place. Your hilt will begin like this. The sleeves on both sides of the activation plate.
You can go on the bottom down here.
Your hilt again goes something like
And
this.
you're going to push and
The
twist
sleeve
along
on
the
both
way.
sides of
Try and
your
twist it the other way.
Everyone?
No, you got to write that where it was on. Twist it this way instead.
Secured onto our hilt.
Exactly like that.
Are moving on. If everyone can find the hollow open end of your hilt, this is the top. This is where a blade will emit from. Pick an emitter from column number 3 and place it on the hollow open end of your hilt. Your emitter should thread in very easily. So if you feel any good resistance, loosen the emitter, recenter it, and try. Once again, hold it into place. Once you have the emitter from column number 3 into place on the hollow open end of your hilt,
Go up the hallway.
you're moving on. Everyone can flip their hilts over and find the solid end.
section 4 goes on the bottom right there. Exactly.
Take an end cap and follow
So now
every
section
floor.
4. From section 4, we'll go on the bottom right there.
Your end cap should also thread in very easily. So if you feel any bit of resistance, loosen the end cap, recenter it, and try. Once again, secure it into place.
Whenever it's complete, we'll
Once
leave
you are
it right
satisfied
here.
with your builds, place it on the hilt stands directly in front of you for inspection.
Right here.
Make sure it's nice and set.
Alright. Ready to take a look at your work? Fantastic. Alright, I'm going to straighten this out just a little bit. Make sure everything is nice and secure for us.
Alright. You're ready to look at next.
Excellent. But everything looks and sounds fantastic. So when Peter says so, flip up to activate and down to deactivate. I'll leave this here for you and get these out of your way. Great work. Perfect. I'll leave this on the hill stand for you. Here we So, these switches right here, does it use a set or is it did you like this switch? But now they're back there. Yeah. So, if you have the set, okay. That one up, I'm going to pop that out. But everything sounds fantastic. So when Peter says so, you're going to flip out the activate and down the deactivate. I'll leave this right for you and get these out of the way.
Alright, looks good. Looks good. Excellent work. This time I'm going to activate.
Excellent work, builders. These are some beautiful hilts. Now I need everyone to take a giant step back so my fellow gatherers can load your hilts into the crystal stabilization chamber. In the past, this was done with the force. Given that we are not force sensitive, we designed these chambers to help safely stabilize your hilts. And this usually works, but it's fine. We know exactly what we're doing. We know what to expect as well. This is unexpected. But you get the lights back on before this gets any worse.
Well done. Chosen a part with skill you have. Chosen with heart. When joined they are, much more they will become. For you, it is time.
Wow. Master Yoda. The power of the Force shared between you all must be strong for Master Yoda to appear. Now the time has come to complete the bond between Builder and Saber. In just a moment, when everyone is ready, we'll take a step forward, place our hand on our hilts, and activate together. Builders, are we ready?
Mm.
Take that step forward. Place your hand on your hilts. Take a deep breath. And activate. Raise your lightsabers. You have just built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and Sith that have come before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. So raise them high, raise them proud. Please lower and deactivate your lightsabers. The bond is now complete.
Complete your lightsaber is. Light your path, it can. Choose your path. Only you can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. And thank you, Builders. You are as unique and extraordinary as the lightsabers you hold in your hands. In your hands, you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power shouldn't be dropped on the ground. To protect your lightsaber, we're pleased to present a saber sheath to you as you depart. Now, our time together has come to an end, but your journeys are just beginning. It's time for you to go out there and make your mark on the galaxy. And who knows, maybe one day we'll be here telling all of your stories. But until then, as we say here at the Outpost, till the spot.
Till the spire.
All the way forward, please.
That's awesome.
All the way forward, please. Forward, please.
Oh, that was cool. That was cool. That was cool. Oh, wow.
Safe travels.
Safe travels.
Thank you. There you are.
Thank you.
Safe travels.
Have travels.
And then for you. Alright, safe travels.
What do you think, baby?
It was fun.
Oh, I thought that was awesome. Very good presentation.